시간만 좀 해주세요.
네. 나 이거 찍었구나.
저 안 찍어? 아,
안녕하십니까. 관리번호 1번입니다.
잠시 대기석에서 대기했다가 한번 쉬게 해주세요. 띵동.
수업 실현 시작하겠습니다. Okay, guys, are you ready to move on to the first activity? Yes, I can hear your 24 exciting voices. I think you fourth grade students are ready to move on to the first activity. Let's move on to the first activity. First activity is listen and speak. Baba, listen and speak. We're gonna listen to the dialogue and we'll speak what's about it. Let's see the picture. B, can you see it? Great. Who are they? Right. Where are they? Good. Can you guess what they're talking about? Right, maybe they're talking about the price of the product. Great. That's a good guess. And let's listen to the dialogue. B, and listen again to the dialogue. Please focus on the stress, intonation, and rhythm. B. Great, you're a good listener. And what does the boy say? Yes, the boy say, how much is it? What does the girl say? Yes, the girl says, it's 701. Perfect, you're a good speaker. And now let's move on to the second activity. Second activity is read and write. There are two parts. First, we're gonna read the script on the textbook. And second, we're gonna make our own script. Do you understand? Great. Let's move on to the first part. First part, read. We're gonna read all together. I'll read the first sentence, and you'll be my echo. I'll read the sentence line by line. How much is it? How much is it? It's 31. It's 31. Great. You're a good listener and reader. And now we're gonna read. I'm gonna divide you into two parts. This will be group A. This will be group B. Group A will read the red sentence. Group B will read the blue sentence. Do you understand? Yes. Group A, how much is it? Group B is great. Now switch your role. Group B, how much is it? Group A is 31. Perfect. You're good readers. And now, we're gonna write your own script. You can copy the example on the textbook, or you can write your own script with your experience. Do you understand? Great. And now, let's make a script with your partner. It's a pair work. Do you have any problem? Please feel free to raise your hands. And feel free to ask me. I will check your attitude when I'm walking around the classroom. Do you understand? Right. Let's start. Oh, Youngjun, do you have any problem? Oh, you don't know how to write 20. Good. Youngjun, how do we read this letter? 12. Yes, how do we read this letter? 20. Perfect. And what is the similarity between them? Yes, they have a similar sounds, twe. Good. And what's the spelling of the twe? Yes, it's T-W-E. Great. And now I see you can write a letter 20, right? Great. It must be TWENTY. Great. Youngjun, please keep going. Time's up. And now you have to film your own script and please upload it to the High Learning Classboard. Do you understand? Yes. Good. I think everybody just upload your own script. I see. And then it's time for self-check. If you do your best in the second activity, please color your part of the textbook. And please show me 1, 2, 3. Right. I think every student color all the hearts. But there are some students who color only 2 hearts. Don't be frustrated. I think you can color all the hearts on the third activity. And now let's move on to the third activity. It's role play. Oh, everybody feels exciting. Does anybody volunteer for the role play? Okay, Youngjun and Minji, please come out. Wow, please give them a big hands. It's a great presentation. You're just like a Hollywood star. And now, what does the Youngjun say? How much is it? Great! What does the Minji say? It's 31. Perfect! And now we're gonna wrap up today's lessons.
감사합니다.
I will answer to the first question after I'm thinking about this. I will answer to the first question. I will suggest the 2 ways to assess the student's achievement in English class. First of all, I will use the AI device such as High Learning. By using the AI device, students can easily diagnose by the AI device and they can make an upload. They can upload their work during the class. And after a few months, we can get the online portfolio of the students. By watching this, I can easily understand the achievement of the students. And second, I will do the self-check. Teachers can check the students' attitude and their achievement during the students' working. Teachers can understand what they're doing and provide the feedback for the students. Give me some time to read the second question. I will answer to the second question. I will provide 2 ways to correct the student's error. First of all, I will give them a blank on the student's error. For instance, when my students write the I eat it lunch, I will give them I blank lunch again. By doing this, students can easily understand what the mistakes they make, and they can easily realize that they have to write on the I ate lunch. And second, I will repeat it and stress the wrong place. For instance, when students write I take a trip, I will repeat it and question again. I hate a strip like this. By doing this, students can understand the error that they make, and they want to change. They want to correct the error by teachers' effort. Thank you for listening.
놓고.